The 2021-2023 Toyota Sienna uses an intelligent oil life monitoring system that goes beyond simple mileage tracking. The system considers multiple factors, including engine revolutions, temperature, idle time, and driving style to estimate oil degradation. It estimates when oil degradation reaches 15% and alerts you for a change. After an oil change, reset the system to 100% for accurate monitoring and to prevent false warnings, leading to better engine health. Use the proper synthetic oil type, 0W20 for gas engines and 0W16 for hybrid models for warranty compliance. To reset the oil maintenance light on your Toyota Sienna, start by accessing the Vehicle Settings menu on the touchscreen. Next, find the Maintenance option within the Vehicle Settings menu. Then navigate to the Oil Life submenu and select Reset to set it back to 100%. For some 2021 models, if the reset doesn't hold after a battery disconnect, visit a dealership for professional reset. For hybrid models, the system accounts for electric motor usage, potentially extending oil change intervals. For models after 2023, use the My Toyota app for remote monitoring and resets.